Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive work. The correct order for the path of sperm from testes to outside the body. Answer: epidermis to ductal difference to ejaculatory duct to penis. The sperm travels from epidermis to penis. Penis is external male organ and serve as urinal duct. Next, the main function of prostate is answer: secretion of alkaline mucus. Prostate gland main function is to secrete prostate fluid. It surrounds urethra just beneath the bladder. Next, the urethra passes through the dash of the penis. Answer: corpora spongiosum. Corpora spongiosum is the mass of spongy tissue surrounding the male urethra within penis, also called as corpus cavernous urethrae. Next, during sexual arousal, that implies cause vasodilation of the arterioles of the penis. Answer: parasympathetic. Penile erection is the result of a complex interaction of physiological, neural and vascular factor. Physiological erection is triggered by parasympathetic impulses. The arteries dilate and blood flow increases. Next, fertilization of sperm and ovum takes place in dash. Answer: ampulla of oviduct. Fertilization of sperm and ovum takes place in ampulla of oviduct. Ampulla is the third portion of oviduct. The word ampulla is from Latin pro plus. Next, which is a highly effective birth control method? Answer: vasectomy. Vasectomy is the surgical process for male sterilization. The male vas deferens are severe and then tight or sealed to prevent sperm from entering into urethra and prevent fertilization. Next, what is the term for milk production? Answer: lactation. Lactation is called milk production. Oxytocin hormone is responsible for this process. Next, testosterone is converted to dash in the prostate. Answer: dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone is also known as stenolone. It is an endogen sex steroid and hormone. Next, which of the following is unpaired gland? Answer: prostate gland. It is a walnut-sized gland. It is unpaired. It secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. Next, bulbourethral gland is also known as Cowper's gland. It is a pea-shaped gland located at posterolateral to the membranous urethra. They are in pair. It is named after English surgeon William Cowper. Next, bulbourethral gland is a dash. Answer: exocrine gland. Exocrine glands are glands that produce and secrete substance onto an epithelial surface. It secretes hormones. Next, bulbourethral gland is homologous to dash present in female bodies. Answer: Bartholin's gland. Bartholin's gland is two P-shaped gland present in female reproductive tract. They secrete mucus to lubricate the vagina. Next, what occurs when egg and sperm pause? Answer: fertilization. Fertilization occurs when egg and sperm pause. Fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gametes. Next, which among the following is the cell division without growth? Answer: cleavage. Cleavage is the cell division without growth. It occurs after fertilization. Next, which male structure is homologous to the female clitoris? Answer: penis. Penis is the male sex organ. It also acts as urinary duct. Next, hormones that cause uterus to contract are dash. Answer: oxytocin and prostaglandins. Hormones that cause uterus to contract are oxytocin and prostaglandin. There are peristaltic movements seen in the uterus. Next, the extra embryonic structure that provides nutrition to the embryo is dash. Placenta. Placenta is an organ that develops in uterus during pregnancy. It attached to the wall of uterus and baby's umbilical cord arises from it. Next, in the absence of acrosome, the sperm cannot dash. Answer: penetrate into egg. Acrosome is the part of the sperm. It helps in the penetration of sperm into the egg. Next, which hormone is the basis for pregnancy test? Answer: HCG. HCG or human chorionic gonadotropic hormones is the basis for pregnancy test. It is seen in the urine. Next, in which week embryo being the implantation? Answer: third week. Implantation is a process of attachment of the fetus to the wall of uterus. It is seen in third week of the gestation period. Next, Graves' disease is due to? Answer: hyperactivity of thyroid gland. Graves' disease is an immune system disorder. It results in the overproduction of thyroid hormones. The thyroid gets enlarged. Next, the lining of uterus to which the embryo implant is called as dash. Answer: endometrium. The lining of uterus to which the embryo implants is called as endometrium. Next, the initial step during fertilization is dash. Answer: fertilizing and antifertilizing reaction. The initial step during fertilization is fertilizing and anti-fertilizing reaction. It reduces polyspermy. Next, beginning of menstruation is known as answer menarche. Menarche is the past occurrence of menstruation in females. It is the central event of puberty as it signals the possibility of fertility. Next, hypothyroidism in adult cause. Answer, myxoedema. Myxoedema is loss of brain function as a result of severe low level of thyroid hormones in the blood. It is life threatening. Next, the main function if fimbriae of oviduct are answer, help in collection of ovum after ovulation. The fimbriae of uterine tube are small finger-like projection at the end of the fallopian tube. Fimbriae are connected to the ovary. It helps in collection of ovum. Next, the process of delivery of fetus is known as answer, parturition. Parturition is the process of childbirth. The fetus is taken out from the womb. So parents, thank you again to stay with us, and a cordial request to everyone still now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon for our future notification. Thank you so much.